Hello kids, welcome back to the Jugaad channel. So we are back with another exciting experiment on pressure and volume. So today we will see what is the relationship between pressure and volume. So what I have here is a 50 ml or 60 ml syringe that you will easily get at the medical store and small balloons, right? So what I have done here is I have blown up this balloon into a very small size and then I just cut out the end. And I have tied it and cut out the end. So this looks like a baby balloon. Now this should be so small that it should go inside the syringe. Now we will put this balloon inside the syringe. So just take out the plunger of the syringe and push the balloon inside smoothly. The balloon will go inside the syringe, as you can see. Now I am putting the plunger inside. So the balloon is right there inside and this is the plunger. Now what I am going to do is I am going to close the opening of the syringe and push the plunger inside. So when I am closing this, I am not allowing any air to enter inside the balloon or the syringe. So the volume of air inside the syringe is constant, and now I am going to push the plunger inside. So when I am pushing the plunger inside, what am I doing? I am increasing the pressure. So when the pressure on the balloon increases, you can see what is happening. The volume of the air inside the balloon is decreasing. You saw that the balloon became smaller in size. Now if you leave, the balloon is back to its original size. So what happened over here is, more the pressure, less is the volume inside the balloon. Now let us try doing the reverse. So what I am doing, I am first pushing the plunger as much as I can inside, and now I will pull the plunger outside so that the pressure is less. And then what do you expect? Will the balloon become bigger than what it was? So let us see. I am just pulling the plunger out and you can see the balloon is becoming bigger and bigger. So less the pressure, more is the volume. More the pressure, less is the volume. Again let us repeat and see. The first thing what we did, see, the balloon is becoming smaller in size when the pressure is more, and the balloon is becoming larger in size when the pressure is less. Go find out the practical application of Boyle's law and do write on our YouTube channel. Thank you.